Good evening, friends. Today I am showing a very important plugin, and this plugin name is Quick Map Services. And many a lot of people known this about this tool. Um, let's start. At first, you open in your QGIS system, and after that, you can click plugin and manage and install plugin and search in Quick Map Services. Okay, search in Quick Map Services. I have already installed Quick Map Services. You first of all you just search in Quick Map Services and install the plugin, and after that it will be shown in Quick Map Services, and then click in Quick Map Services, and there it will be shown in very different base map: Google base map, EC base map, Bing base map, NASA base map, USGS base map, and other many tools also will be here. And I can click in one tool, Google satellite image, so it will be shown here. So a lot of people know this the tool. So thank you so much. I think it will be very helpful for us. So thank you.